Now come here. Come a little closer. Come on. Now I found a career that pays you to travel, pays for your room and board, and pays you to have fun. It's working on a cruise ship. Not as a vacation, but a real job that pays you while you travel the world. Cruise ships need everything from guest services and retail workers to entertainers, tech support, spa staff, food service, and behind the scenes operations. While most people spend money to see the world, cruise ship employees are paid to do so. Contracts usually run about 6 to 8 months, which means you can save aggressively because your biggest expenses are off the table. A lot of people use cruise work to pay down debt, build savings, fund a business idea, or hit reset without the pressure of rent, utilities, and daily bills chasing them every month. Okay, get your pen and paper ready. I did all the research for you. All right. Here are the three cruise lines that are hiring right now. The first is Royal Caribbean, which offers food, lodging, medical care, and competitive pay. When you are not on duty, you are welcome to explore the amazing destinations you could visit. Just make sure you are back on time. They're running a tight ship. No pun intended. Tight ship. Yeah, okay. They also offer activities for the crew on board each ship, from parties to sports tournaments, all designed to help them enjoy life on board. Employees are paid in US dollars twice a month to a prepaid MasterCard. Now, you ready for the second one? The second one is the Disney Cruise Line, which is hiring for roles such as HVAC and refrigeration engineers, sous chefs, pastry chefs, and other positions. They have minimum experience requirements for each position. And guess what? People who work for the Disney Cruise Line receive free access for themselves and their families to experience Disney theme parks. They also have a really great retirement savings plan that matches what you save. Last but not least, the third one is Viking Cruises, which is hiring for positions such as laundry staff, public room attendant, and waiters. They offer on the job training that lets you shadow more experienced team members and build the skills for the next level as you prepare for your promotions. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you'll try working on cruises. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.